Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart here from iqoptionwiki.com, and this is going to be a very important video. We're going to talk a little bit about market fundamentals, the basics, because in this video I wanted to talk about the support line and the resistance line, and how we use that in our trading, and how we can identify a breakout strategy from those lines. And this is very important because it has a lot to do with price fighting in the market, and it's very important that you understand how this works. You don't even have to apply it, but you need to understand how this works. Therefore, let's go to our website, iqoptionwiki.com. Always a lot of value there. Keep saying it. If you haven't made a demo account, go to the description down below. Always trade with a demo account to practice to get better. You can open a demo account free at IQ Option with my link. If you go to our sitemap, if you only type in resistance, you can see here there are already 8 articles that are working with these support and resistance lines and breakout strategies. So if you want to know a good indicator that combines with the support and resistance lines, go to our website. You can find great articles there that explain you a little bit more about what to do about that. So now going to our article here, identifying what the price. I'm gonna zoom in this picture a little bit here. So you see here a support line, and what it means is that when the market is coming back to this point here, that means there's a wall of buyers. You gotta understand that the market, we look at it like these candlesticks, but actually there's still buyers and sellers fighting over a price. So when the markets go down here at this point here, that means there is a wall of buyers, and these buyers, they all at this same level, because this same level gets tested every time, and then the price gets bought up and everybody gets confident again, goes up, and it goes down again, and it's coming back to the same price point every time. And that makes a support line, and we can draw those lines. We will do that later on in this video. We will draw those lines in the IQ Option platform to explain a little bit how that works in the real time. But then it tests the same level, and then it goes up again, and it goes down again, and then here again it tests it again, goes back, and then it tests it again. But every time it's getting tested, it means the wall of buyers, like there are like, let's say there are, for example, 100 buyers here, and here the market comes at this point, and then there are only 80 buyers left, and then here there are only 40 buyers left, and here there are only 20 buyers left for this price, and here there are only 10 buyers left. And eventually, if the market line gets tested so many times, eventually you run out of buyers, and that means there are more sellers than buyers, and that means the price breaks down, and that's why we call it a breakout. And then it can collapse quite significantly and make it price drop, and then it is going to fall down to another support line. And it works the same way the other way around. I don't know if we don't have an article in here that makes the same thing, but this means a resistant level. It's the same structure. There are a lot of sellers here, and let's say here are 100 sellers. Reaches the first time this point, and then here there are 50 sellers, and then here is getting fought over, a little bit of price fighting here. It's called a fake out breakout because it wants to break out above that line, but there are too many sellers here. Sellers are very strong, and then it makes a fake out, and it means it's coming above that line a little bit, has some consolidation, and then it breaks down, and then there's a lot of sell-off because it couldn't make that price. So you have to learn a little bit how to look with that, how to work with that. You can of course do that with a practice demo account, looking through the markets, how that works. But it's very important to understand how this works, because these are the fundamentals of trading. Basically, these are the basics that you need to know if you start out with trading. That's why this is such an important video to watch. Yeah, let's go to the IQ option platform to explain you a little bit better in real time what this looks like and how we can identify it, and to draw some lines in the platform itself. So now we're in the IQ option platform, and you can see here a small piece of the chart here. And what we're going to do, we're going to draw some trend lines. The way we do that is you go to the bottom left corner, you go to graphical tool, and just take a trend horizontal line. Horizontal line is good enough. It's a blue line. And you can see here that the market has been fighting here about the price a little bit. Then it came back here, then it came back again here, and it came back again here. Every time at the same level. So we make that line here. For the video, line yellow, I think that's better for you guys. So I make that line yellow here, and you can see this is a support line. So that means if the market stays in this channel, like this, ranging up and down, and soon enough it will come back down here, and that means it will go up again, or it will go down. And let's draw that out for a little bit for you guys. Trend line. Oh, that's the wrong line. So let's say that the market goes here, 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 and it comes here. And at this point, it's a very crucial point, because it's testing the support line again. And that means if it goes back up again, no worries, we can do that. But if it breaks down, it will break down hard. So, and if you're looking to trend lower here for a longer period of time, of course, that means if it breaks out here and you say it's here and it goes down significantly strong, that means you can say, okay, the trend is broken out. That means we can go down a lot further from here until the next support line. And then you can look back at the market and draw a trend line horizontal here, and you can see here that most likely the next support is here. So that means it will come in a lower channel. So you can predict that the market can do this all the way until this point here, and then it probably will return or reverse. We'll remove that line for a second. Trend line. Same here on the upper channel. You can see here it tested the level, and then see here it made a double top. We call that a double top. So it tested the same level. So that means these two points here that made a resistance level. So that means at this point here in the upper range of the market, this is going to support to create a resistance level. So the next time it will come in there, it will most likely reverse, or it breaks out. And those key level lines, they're very important for the market, because that's when the market is in free fall, for example, or in breakout. That means that that means it will probably stop at the next resistance level, and that can be way higher, and that's what you need to know about these resistance and support lines. So that about that. If you go back to our website, iqoptionwiki.com, we have loads of strategies or ways to combine these trend lines, the horizontal support and resistance lines, how we can combine those with several indicators, and how you can build a trading strategy out of that. So visit our website for that. If you have more questions, put them in the comments down below. If you have topics you want to have to be covered, also put them in the comments down below. Like and subscribe the video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. This was the video. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. Goodbye.